manufacturing industry's manual processes are rapidly being replaced by automation in smart factories, and workers' roles are changing from doing manual work and registrations to supervising and handling exceptions. Supply chain management team's new, modern, touch-friendly user experience for manufacturing execution replaces the old job card experience and will prepare businesses for expansion in smart factories. The new login screen contains a pie chart indicating the percentage of jobs completed for the day, as well as a breakdown of the day's progress. In this demo, we will sign in with our badge ID. Here is the worker's job list, and we've pre-selected a job from the list. The details section appears in the bottom of the screen with this job's details. Notice that the donut shows the job at 40% complete. We can start the job by selecting Start Job. Our chosen job now appears under Active Jobs. Opening the order, we navigate to the right and select the Instructions button. In this example, our instructions include a diagram file. Multiple instruction types can be made available to employees. There is also a HoloLens guide associated with the job. To access it, we would select the Guides button, and by scanning the QR code with our HoloLens glasses, the guide would automatically open. Let's say we are ready to report our progress. We select Report Progress, update the quantity, change the job status to completed, and confirm by selecting Report Progress. When our workday is completed, we navigate to Leaving, then Clock Out, and Confirm. Back in the Welcome screen, we select the Sanitize button, cleaning and locking the device so it is ready for the next worker to log in. This new feature will deliver an optimized user experience for job card devices, improving manufacturing processes in smart factories.